If you want to free up storage space on Nothing Phone 3, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, and if you scroll down, you should be able to find the storage option. Over here, of course, we can check how much space we have, how much is left, and we can also find some example options, like for example the storage manager, which allows you to remove backed up photos and videos from your device. There is also smart cleanup, and this one is used after some time in order to check if there is file fragmentation. And over here we can also read more about it. And there is also the free up space option from the Files app. And we can also see categories and how much space they take. So this can give you a general idea of what you can remove. So for example, if you have lots of games that you don't play anymore, then probably games will be somewhere at the top. So you can go over there and you can, for example, remove some games. And we can also find the trash. So you can remove files that are still in the trash, because if you delete something, most of these files will stay on your phone for 30 days. Because they are moved to trash instead of removed immediately and permanently. So you can check that out as well. If you go over here to free up space, you should be able to open the Files app, which allows you to... This is just a file manager, so you can go through there and find out what you don't want to have on your phone anymore. You can tap on these three dots in the top left corner in order to find clean option as well. And you have some suggestions too, like for example, you can delete large files, junk files, and so on and so forth. Besides that, if we go to settings, we can also open apps settings, and over here you should be able to find unused apps. After some time, you should be able to see the list of apps that you don't use anymore, or you barely use, so you can consider removing them. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.